Hello and welcome to another Tabitha's Glass Emporium video. Today we're looking at this. This is this fabulous glass bowl we've made, and using this cool item that we're selling on our website, you can create floral designs that then stand up on their own, and so us fusers can make beautiful vases for flowers. I saw this and I was just like, I love those. I want to sell them and make it possible for the fusers out there to make things for flowers to go into. So today I'm going to show you how we made this. I've cut a big circle the size. Now I'm only going one layer. I'm going to do a contour fuse with this, and I'm going to then add things to the top. So it will sink in, but not entirely. And I'm just sort of literally, it's going to be quite abstract, this piece. So here it is, nicely slumped. I took it quite slow on the way up, and I did a 3-hour anneal on the way down. Guys, annealing, we got uneven layers. So you take your thickest layer, so I'd say that's maybe kind of 5 millimeters, that's 3 millimeters. So I times it, that's 8, so I'm timesing it by 2, so I need to anneal for 16 millimeters. For a 3-hour anneal, it's 19, so you could kind of go up to kind of 9 millimeters thick and still be all right on a piece like this. So I'm pretty sure I've annealed it enough. I think it's beautiful. I really love this just as a bowl on its own. I think it's really nice. But our idea is to use it as a vase for flowers. So the whole point of the idea of this is you have these pieces, items that you can thread your flowers through, you twist them, and then they stand up. You can put water in the bottom of your vase, and that is a beautiful, elegant bunch of flowers sitting in a beautiful, elegant piece of glass. So we're now selling these on the website. They come in a box, and you get a larger and a smaller one together, and we've got them in the clear and in a gold color. So those are on the website now, check them out. This is I think this is such a cool idea. Making vases is really hard for us fusers, unless you're going to do a drop vessel, which is kind of beyond some people's abilities. And this is a really kind of beautiful way to make something that can be then a floral design with fused glass. And I'm really loving this idea and how it works in our favor. So I hope you've liked this. Make sure you remember you can get these items and all of our beautiful Murrine at tabithasglassemporium.com. I hope you've enjoyed this very floral video, and make sure you sign up to our newsletter on our website, and even check out our group, Tabitha's Glass Emporium group on Facebook, for lots of inspiration of things to do with our Murrine. Our community is there. They're very supportive, and they're always coming up with brilliant ideas, so go check that out. And until next time, happy fusing.